Okay, watch this. You have fabulous mullets.
Waffles over butter.
Sometimes I have a sleepover with no one. I'm 14.
Cat zombie?
Ebola for 2.
That's cute. I try really hard to be pretty, but it's dangerous. I'm not proud of it. I'm gonna cry.
Let's take you to Oprah.
Okay, can I just eat something plastic?
I love plastic.
Call my mom, I think my thyroid is about to collapse. This corn dog is too big to chew.
Ham is on sale. It's like half the food in my house can be shared with you. But baby, if I could, I name the Trump Tower for you.
I smell piss.
It was you. I brought my bus.
I stole your bus.
After this, let's make some peanut butter s'more. Love makes me snore. I can't wait for Civil War. Let's slide on the floor.
Let's do
Fondue
with you.
Thank you. We need to get out more. I'm not too crazy. We fished to Irish.
Castles.
I made brownies yesterday.
I've never met someone who eats with their feet. France. We're dead. Man, I want a reason. I'm scared of extended vacations.
Pork.
Aye, aye.
True.
Friends are make-believe. Say goodbye to the guy in the weird-looking mask.
We don't know what this song is for. Let it go, it's more popular.
I wish we knew what for. We could have been more, but you
Went broke.
Achoo!
Bless you.
Love makes me snore.
Inside, I eat bluegrass.
Yum.
Wow, your hands are small.
Yes, but I have something to tell you. I gasped.